Okay, guitar players, today we're going to be going over the E natural minor scale on the high E string. I've put the tabs on the screen so you can follow along. Just listen for the click to count you in. Okay, that's a great scale to know if you want to improvise in the key of E minor or improvise over E minor chords in general. If you're interested in getting some group or private coaching with me via video chat, feel free to comment the word solo on this video and we can chat about that. All my students have been getting amazing results, so I look forward to helping you level up your skills as well. Okay, make sure to subscribe to the channel and check out my other exercises as well. See you again soon.